leave your subway.
Come on, Donnie.
Dude, where is
You might want to get that pencil out.
Just shank him with it.
I don't want to shake myself.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
Come on, Donnie. Get him, Donnie. Oh, fuck.
come on, Travis!
Oh, shit.
Go back.
Yeah, that's right. Keep it.
behind.
Get your hands up. You want to
Yeah, Donnie.
Get him back. Get him back.
Let go of his arm, let go of his arm, let go of his arm. Let go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Neither of them go down, right? Alright, someone lost a shoe. Someone lost a shoe.
Shoot down.
Oh my god.
Come on, go.
Fuck, dude.
Come on, Donnie.
Dogs look a little more rat. Oh, fuck.
Let's go, Donnie.
Come on, Donnie.
Let's
go.
This is so funny.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
Someone move. Go on, what are you doing?
Travis, make
Go,
come on. You guys are like. Donnie,
Come on, hit someone. Someone hit somebody.
Oh!
Come on, Donnie. Oh, he's getting slow. He's getting slow.
Donnie, uno por arriba, uno por abajo.
Yeah, what he said.
Trust me, Donnie, it works. What's that sound?
Oh, shit. Oh,
Come on, guys. Break it up, go back. You guys got 30 more seconds.
How long is it last?
2 minutes, go.
Go. Donnie! Oh my god.
You hearing that too?
It's a cock.
Come on, hit someone in the face.
Come on, hit him. Come on, get him, Donnie. What are you doing? Turn your back to him. Look at Travis's face. He's like,
Donnie jabs, hooks, uppercuts.
I'll block.
It's getting good.
Travis, you hit like a girl.
Alright, guys, take a break. You guys want to take a break? It's been 2 minutes.
I'll block one person.
No breaks.
He's only dead.